Luna and the Little Star. Every night, little Luna looked at the sky and counted the stars. 1, 2, 3. So many stars, she giggled. One evening, Luna saw a tiny star hiding behind a fluffy cloud. Are you okay? She asked. The little star softly twinkled. A lost star searched for home.
I cannot find my way home.
Luna helped the star find its way back home. Luna searched everywhere, flying past the blue moon and 3 fluffy clouds, but the star still couldn't find home. Luna had an idea.
Think of your favorite place.
The star remembered its favorite place, a spot where it could see the whole sky. Luna pointed to the sparkling stars above. The little star recognized its home and began glowing brightly. The little star found its way home and reunited with its sparkling friends, while Luna happily waved goodbye. That night, Luna smiled at the stars, knowing that even a little kindness can brighten someone's world. One tiny star always twinkled back,